Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create Venn diagram in Microsoft Excel. So firstly click on this insert tab and here click on this smart art and now click this relationship. Here you will see a list of diagram. So select this Venn, basic Venn, click on OK. Now you can change color easily. Just select any color. You can edit your text. You can add more diagram by just pressing enter. You can remove them by pressing backspace on your keyboard. Here you can make more changes, style, and you can reset by clicking just one click here. Also you can convert your this diagram into shape. So firstly make changes and modify as your choice, make proper size, and now convert to shape. Convert a smart art graphic to shapes so that any shape can be moved, resized, or deleted independently of the remaining shapes. Now this diagram into shape form. So you can make these all changes. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you, and please share, like, and subscribe this channel.